Hello and welcome to St.Gallen. This is the starting point for the new bike and food series, where I intend to go either shopping out in the countryside with farmers or go foraging or whatever. Just making use of the neighborhood and then showing off what I can do in the kitchen. I'm heading out to Haslen, which is a tiny little village in Appenzell. Even the city is not that difficult on this route. Not much traffic. And soon we'll be out in the countryside. Very pleasant actually. This is quite the bridge. We just crossed the river Sitter, which is the city's border on the west and the north. That's a So a typical farmhouse here has the tiny windows to the north, a barn or whatever they turned it into on the east against the cold wind, and the big windows towards the south. Makes sense. So a little bit of orientation. What you can see over there with the antenna on top is the Hochhaste, high covered, one of the few mountains here that have a cable car going up. And actually the one just to the left is called Kamor, and you can climb that one with a bicycle. I've done it a few times. It's a bit of an exercise, but it's okay. They really are cute, I have to admit it. All the geraniums out. And now we have a downhill back down to the Sitter, the river we crossed before. There's even two switchbacks. Just imagine that. Hardly worth the bother. Almost there. That sign here made me stop some 5-6 years ago. I've been a good customer ever since. Gizzi-Fleisch and lamb. So, young goats and young sheep. Very tasty. Halli, hallo.
Hallo, hi. Sportlich, sportlich. Stecken dabei. Hey, gut, gut
Oh, this is where I kept my goat. It's a bit dark in here. So.
Aha, da willst du.
So, this is what I collected. A goat,
So.
some sausages and some livers. So, time to go home. Feed the freezer. Now for the way home I'm taking the faster route. Don't have to dilly-dally around with frozen meat. I got the good news that they have a lamb for me too. Can pick it up in November. Hope for some sunny day then. Life is good. Here comes the tram. Da, 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 da. Oh, today's recipe is a simple one. I use a bit of the back from the goat I got yesterday and I'll put that into the oven. So first I'll make a marinade. Don't be shy with the garlic. What we also need is a bit of black pepper. So. Then thyme, can just throw in twigs. The same with rosemary. Then my favorite addition is tandoori masala. Some chili. Some dried oregano. And full of salt. Then a good squeeze of mustard. And olive oil. Nice little piece. It's just short of half a kilo. And as the rule of thumb goes, 20 minutes each half kilo and 20 minutes on top of it. And then it should be perfect. It's all ready for the oven now. The back with some sputz, and then I have freshly acquired pumpkins with fresh cheese. I stuffed 2 peppers with fresh cheese, and I have some aubergine that I found in the fridge and has to go in as well. And that'll be dinner. Oh, it's all in there. For about 40 minutes at 180 degrees. For good measure I have the grill running as well. So that's how it comes out of the oven. Looks wonderful, just have to cut it. Yeah, I think we leave it out tonight. Beach has.
Oh, it's delicious.
Pass the test.
Yeah!